So, as you asked, I will be talking about 5 key aspects of my project. First of all, the name. My project is called Empowering Women Through Skills Trainings. Who will be concerned? My project will be concerning women and girls between the age of 18 and 35. In the beginning, I will start with a group of women that you might even know, women who are currently working, selling goods illegally, meaning it's not allowed by the laws of Burundi. I'm referring to those women in front of BCB Bank, at the bus stop,
Hold
and
on,
nearby.
hold on a little bit. Please excuse
Thank
me.
you.
Nagira nsabe kugira ngo dushobore kumwumva neza. Ndabasabe abariko baravuga muduha akanya kugira ngo dushobore kumviriza abakandidati murakoze.
Thank you. How will I proceed? I noticed that these women has the initiative to work, but what they still lack is skills. So I will be organizing trainings with them in 4 categories. First, business management, finance management, tailoring, and edges or bordery. For some, they were willing to do what they are currently doing, selling goods. So for them, they will be trained in business management and finance management in order to work, but effectively. For the others, they were not really willing to do what they are currently willing. It's just that they didn't have any other choice. So for them, they will be studying tailoring and edges. I do have some skills, but I'm not an expert. So I will be helped by experts in each of these domains in order to give them the trainings, the techniques, guidelines, and knowledge to level up themselves. Now, I chose partnership to achieve my vision. I've already built partnership with Yazanye Art House, which will be helping me in this journey, and I'm still targeting some banks and microfinances to help me. So what are the goals and impacts of my projects? I'm willing to see women and girls of Burundi able to provide for themselves. It's not that much. It doesn't take that much. I need to see women who are able to provide for their families. I need to see women and girls who are seeking for independence financially. And I need to see women and girls who are giving an input in our economy. Thank you. This was my project, so if any question, you are all welcome.
Thank you too. The other questions are on your left.
Thank you.
Yes. The number and the question.
Number 6. Complétez ce proverbe. Bike bike hanira. A abangana. B abanghana. C abamana. D abigana. I will go for B abanghana. Bike bike hanira abanghana. Thank you. Question 10. Quelles actions peuvent être entreprises pour garantir que les femmes aient une voix égale dans les processus de prise de décision au Burundi? As I said, women in Burundi still lack, but that's true. So I think that if we take women and girls, train them, giving them what they are lack, giving them the strength, the knowledge, in order to, how can I say it, in order to let them be on that level that men needs us to be, I think this will be a key point in giving women the chance of this, I will use French, avoir une voix égale dans les processus de prise de décision au Burundi. Thank you. Question 3. Quelles sont les régions traditionnelles du Burundi? Imbo, Kirimiro, Bugesera, Busoni, what else? Mugamba, Gamba. Yes, I will stop by here. That's what I remember. So thank you.